Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well because I'm very happy today. So then the Galaxy S20 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Flip. My friend TechTalkTV, it's weird to call someone TV, but well, I do. So he just leaked the Galaxy S20 Ultra and it contradicted some information we previously had about the Galaxy S20 Ultra. In past leaks, it was rumored that the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra will say Space Zoom 100x on the camera module, but this new image showed us that it says Hybrid Optic Zoom 10x, which was odd because Samsung won't leave a chance to brag about the world's first 100x zoom. So if you guys are confused, I'm here to confirm that it will indeed say Space Zoom 100x. The version he had is a prototype which Samsung slightly changed. The camera bump is indeed very huge and it looks aesthetically challenging, but the additional space is probably required for the 100x zoom camera. We get the main sensor over here of 108 megapixels, the wide angle camera of 12 megapixels, the zoom lens of 48 megapixels, and then the 3D time of flight sensor. A flashlight and a microphone hole is also included in the camera module. From the front, it is very gorgeous with a small punch hole. And for some reason, I really dig this new Samsung wallpaper. The display is curved from both the sides, but not really as much as it used to be. Samsung is getting flatter and flatter, whereas others are getting curvier and curvier. Also, it has been confirmed that if you pre-order the Galaxy S20 Plus, Galaxy S20 Plus 5G or the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, you will get the Galaxy Buds Plus for absolutely free. This offer will be available in most of the countries. Not all but most, including India, USA and Europe. It's a great offer which appreciates the customers who spend a ton of money on Samsung phones. So if you're planning on buying any one of these three smartphones, I suggest that you should pre-order it because you will then get a Galaxy Buds Plus for absolutely free, which is rumored to cost somewhere around $150-ish. The pre-orders will open just after the launch event in your respective countries and will remain open until 9th of March, and the deliveries will start on 13th but could be a day or two late depending on your region. Moving forward, we have two leaked videos of the Galaxy Z Flip. This one I have already shown you in a past video, but you can have one more look. And this is the second one. At first I was a bit nervous about this phone, but man, I am in love now. I really want to see this in person because it's just out of this world. It still have this small crease in the middle, but at least this time it is made up of glass rather than plastic, and that's why a little crease doesn't really bother me. The only phone without a crease is the Motorola Razr, but it has a huge gap between the display and the phone to avoid the crease, so you win some, you lose some. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Galaxy Z Flip and the Galaxy S20 Ultra and getting the Galaxy Buds Plus for free. I am very excited as we will get them to see the day after tomorrow. For more information, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed. You can also follow me on Twitter from the link in the description. And as always guys, thanks for watching.